Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our Jeep CJ8 Scrambler. It is dark blue, metallic, got the awesome charcoal Scrambler decals on it. Great dual exhaust. It's been completely frame off, rotisserie restored. Brand new BFG all-terrain TAs. This truck has 549 miles since a complete rotisserie restoration. The interior, I mean, there's not a nick in it. 549 miles. It is brand new, inside and out, frame off, every piece touched and done. Incredible. Got the factory roll bar and the factory hardtop, factory stripes. 4.2 straight 6, 5-speed manual transmission. Gorgeous Scrambler stripes all the way around it. This truck is pristine, extremely nice, and extremely well done. Look at that reflection. Crazy how nice it is. Spray in factory bed liner like they do. Everything is done. Tilt wheel. Got a Pioneer sound system in it. Lockable box. Another lockable box. I'm sure that's for your firearms or your Tootsie Rolls. Very nice stereo. Incredible truck inside and out. All the new weather strip. Every piece is new. I said dual exhaust earlier. It is not dual exhaust. I apologize. LED tail lights. Nice spare. What we call dust blue. Done right. I mean done right. Runs like a dream. Drives like a dream. Got a big light bar on the front here. Badland 12,000 VXR winch. It is ready to go. Y'all check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Come and see us at 21180 US Highway 70 in Wilson, Oklahoma. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day.